This video tutorial I will explain AspectJ Around Advice example using XML configuration. At around annotation declares the around advice. Around advice will be executed before the actual method call and after the actual method call. Here I have defined the class employee service. It has three methods: add employee, modify employee, and delete employee. Here I have defined the class logging aspect. It has log around method. We will see how to configure around advice for add employee method of employee service class using XML configuration. Once around advice is configured, before calling add employee method, this part of the code will be executed. And once it reaches this line, then add employee method will be executed. After that, this portion of the code will be executed. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have created bean for employee service class and define aspect classes, logging aspect class, and here I have done AOP configuration. Here I have mentioned point cut method as add employee method of employee service class. Here I have applied around advice for add employee method of employee service class. AOP colon after around is equivalent to at around annotation. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, and calling add employee method, modify employee method, and delete employee method. Here you can see the output, and here you can see around advice is applied to add employee method of employee service class. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.